Mutongoria wa bururi Dr William Ruto ni ararekereirie ndumiriri yake ya mbere kuri kiungano kia urumwe wa mabururi UN utuku wa ira kuria ararongoreirie kihiri kia maundu maria makoretwo mari muhinga munene hari ukuria na uthii wa na mbere mabururi-ini matiganite thiini wa thii.
Your Excellency,
hari ndumiriri ino iria ni yake ya mbere ta President Ruto arathingatire kiungano giki kunyitana na guteithiriria mabururi maria magumiirwo ni ng'aragu ihinda-ini riri. Akiuga uyu ni umwe wa maundu maria mekiraniirwo ngirimiti-ini kiungano giki ta njira ya guteithiriria muingi wa thii.
If for no other reason, the fact that we all are in this together must strengthen the case for concerted efforts across continents. With this in mind, I call on member states and all relevant stakeholders to demonstrate strong political will and showcase effective cooperation by supporting the most affected countries financially, as well as through sharing land restoration and climate change adaptation technologies.
Ruto akiuga ihinda ni kinyu UN kung'ethanira na kihumo gia king'uki giki kia ng'aragu thiini wa thii niguo gukihukia kaimana makiria ta kung'ethanira na wagi na unyihu wa bataraitha kuri arimi niguo gukuria urimi thiini wa thii.
No country, large or small, has ever attained significant growth without modernizing its agricultural sector. And as we dedicate ourselves to these targets, we must, in the immediate term, find answers to the severe deficit in the availability, flow, and accessibility of fertilizer to our farmers worldwide.
Ihinda-ini riu Ruto ni arathingatire bengi ya thii undu umwe na ruhonge rwa IMF kurongoreria kwongerera ihinda ria kuriha mathirĩ kuri mabururi maria mahutitio na njira nene ni ng'uki cia COVID-19, gucenjia kwa riera na ng'aragu niguo kumathaitira kumana na moritu ma gutharara kwa utonga wa bururi ihinda-ini riri.
On behalf of Kenya, therefore, I join other leaders in calling upon the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and other multilateral lenders to extend pandemic-related debt relief to the worst-hit countries, especially those affected by the devastating combination of conflict, climate change, and COVID-19.
Ruto ningi ni arahuthirire kigomano giki kia 77 kwendekithia mogaruruku matabanirio kanju nene ya ugitiri ya UN niguo gukuruhania muingi wa thii yothe hatari muthutukanio, akiuga kwa ihinda riri mabururi mamwe ta ma gitaru kia Afrika matikoragwo makuruhanitio na njira iria yagiriire thiini wa kanju ino, murugamo uria urendekithitio ni nginya President wa Amerika Joe Biden.
We welcome the call by President Biden this morning for the expansion of the membership of the Security Council as a significant step in the right direction, and we look forward to building consensus for the actualization of the same.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.